Assalamualaikum everyone, it's Mr. TECHFOX here with a real-time walkthrough on fixing a slow startup in Windows. If this helps speed things up, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Alright, first let's jump into fast startup. Open your control panel. Normally you have to click on start menu and then you have to search here control panel. You have to open it and then choose system and security. Here you will get an option power options. You have to choose on that. After then, you have to choose this option. Choose what the power buttons do. Okay? After then, make sure that you have already checked this option. Turn on fast startup. This will help Windows start up faster by loading some data in advance. Done with that? Great. Let's move to the startup programs. Press Ctrl Shift and Escape button to open the task manager, or you can do this like this way. Normally you have to click on here and choose task manager. After then you have to choose this option startup, and here you will see all of the apps that opens at the very beginning when you turn on your PC. Look at the list. Anything here that you don't immediately at startup? Normally you have to choose that and then you have to select disable. This prevents extra apps from slowing down boot time. Alright, next up disk cleanup. Now you have to type on start menu disk cleanup. You have to open that option. Here you will see a drop down menu. Normally you have to choose your main drive, I mean C drive, then press OK button. After that, it will start scanning and you will see this kind of options. From here, you have to check this option, temporary internet files. And you also have to check this option. You can also check these options if you want. After choosing, normally click on OK button. Then press on delete files. This frees up space and can speed things up as well. Lastly, let's check for driver updates. Open the device manager by typing it into the start menu. Device manager. Here you have to find this option, display adapter. Double click on it and then right click on your graphics driver and select update driver. You can choose this option as well as this option if you have already downloaded the driver. I'm recommending this option. Outdated drivers can slow things down, especially if you are seeing a black screen on startup. That's all. Let me know in the comments if this sped things up for you. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe for more tech tips from Mr. TECHFOX. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.